This is Course Video Manager, a tool the educator Matt Pocock built to produce his own programming courses. And it quietly answers the question everyone's arguing about: how much should you actually let AI do? Right now there are two camps. One says let the agent rip and hope it got it right. The other says do it all yourself and babysit every step. Matt's app picks a third way. AI does the boring 80% of the work, but a human signs off on every move that matters. Making one course video is a long assembly line. You plan the lessons, record them, cut the footage, write all the metadata, then publish. Every stage here has a grunt work problem, and he wired an AI assistant into each one. Let's walk the line. When he records, the app listens for silence and trims the dead air for him, the single most tedious edit just gone. It transcribes every clip, then drafts the titles, the descriptions, the SEO, the YouTube chapters, the social captions, even the newsletter, all from what he actually said. And a writing assistant, running Claude, turns that same transcript into a full written article, editing it down paragraph by paragraph. But here's the part that matters. The biggest feature is an agent that can restructure the entire course, rename lessons, reorder sections, rewrite the plan. It never just does it. Watch the loop. Matt asks for a change. The agent proposes a batch of edits, and then it stops. Nothing has been touched yet. Each edit shows up as an approval card. He approves the good ones, rejects the rest. Only the approved edits ever reach the real files. That's the whole idea. The AI proposes, the human disposes. A coworker, not an autopilot. And letting AI move fast only works if mistakes are cheap. So the design makes them cheap. Your real work lives as plain files on disk, not trapped in a database. Every publish is frozen as its own immutable version, and every single action auto-saves a backup. So you can let the assistant be aggressive, because almost nothing it does is ever truly hard to undo. One person, doing the work of a whole production team, an editor, a copywriter, an SEO manager, with AI on the tools, and a human in the chair. That's not the future of working with AI. Somebody already shipped it. See you next time.